Hey guys, it's just the Glam Pixie, and this is my baby girl Coppelia, and today she's getting a haircut. So my sweet little puppy is looking quite shaggy. It is the end of winter, and she definitely needs a trim. She hates going to the groomers, and is a lot calmer when I cut her hair, so that's what we're gonna do today. Can you sit down for Mama? Okay. No sitting. She says, no, Mom. No sitting. No sitting. Oh, you got no hair on your nose. Oh, look at all that hair go away. I know. Look at that pretty face. You don't like getting haircuts, that's for sure. Get that hair out of your eyes. So these small breeds tend to have really watery eyes. She is a Chihuahua Yorkie mix, and when her eyes water a lot, it gets like gross and crusty, and I just hate that for her. So I try to trim around her eyes as much as possible so that that hair doesn't become hard. And she's so much calmer for me than when we take her to the groomers. I think it's just that trust. She knows I won't hurt her. Whereas with a stranger, she just doesn't know that. But you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. I can see those beautiful brown eyes. Mommy's brown-eyed girl. Huh, baby? So what I do is I kind of just take my fingers and pinch them together, and then just take off any excess hair that goes above that. And this little one, she looks really puffy, so it makes her look a lot heavier than she actually is, but she is a skinny mini, that's for sure. She is nothing but fur, and she's got this very soft, almost like down curl, which is so soft and so sweet. The problem with it is that it mats really, really bad. And it gets really bad tangles. And as much as me and her dad try to stay on top of it and try not to let her get tangled, she still does. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Yes. No puppy kisses. Oh, we got a mat. Bad tangle, baby, right behind that ear. You just think you're getting a massage, huh? Yes. Do you? What are they doing? Come on. You're fine. You're fine, crazy. My little watchdog. Are you a guard dog? Are you a guard dog? Tell him. Say, rawr, 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 rawr. Stay off my lawn. Stay out of my yard. That's what I took off of you. That's a lot of hair. That is a lot of hair, little one. Yes, it is. Mommy wish her hair grew that fast. And there she is. She's all finished. She looks so pretty. I can see my puppy's face again. And she was so good, huh? I know, it's not fun. But you were such a good girl. Good girl. Can you show them how pretty you are? Look how pretty you are. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You were such a good baby. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't think Coppelia did, but I think she definitely feels better and definitely looked a lot better. So yeah, until next time, I'll see ya. Bye. Ooh, Mommy's nose. All your hair is everywhere. Your hair, it's everywhere. Screaming infidelities. Good girl. I know you're mad at Mama, huh? You hate getting your hair cut. Mwah.